Chapter 4, Vegetarian Sports Nutrition. Blank. Let's say you are highly involved in sports, but you are a vegan and are worried about getting the right nutrition. Don't worry. You can get all the nutrition you need while still living your vegetarian lifestyle and participating in sports. You are not required to make sacrifices in your diet just because you don't want to eat meat. In fact, you might actually find that a vegetarian diet is extremely conducive to allowing you to participate in sports because the nutrition you will find in vegetables, fruits, and grains will actually give you more energy. The first thing you need to remember is that you must eat before a workout so that your body can begin to process the food and give you the nutritional requirements you need to sustain a heavy workout and be able to have enough energy to participate in the sports that you like to do. That means that vegetarians must get a lot of carbohydrates before they play sports and then let the nutrition that is contained in those carb-loaded foods work for you. You will also need to eat a good vegetarian meal after you are done participating in sports so that you can replenish the nutrition that is naturally lost through sweat during your workout. However, you will want to avoid carbs as much as possible in this meal since carbs can easily be converted into fat and actually negate all of the benefits you have just given yourself. If you are heavily involved in sports and you are a lacto-vegetarian, we recommend that you get a large number of nuts and grains which are filled with carbohydrates as well as a lot of fruits that can give your body some highly needed water that will eventually be sweated out during your sports workout. Athletes who are vegetarians often worry about their nutrition since participating in sports is so important to keeping them fit. All they really need to remember is that the body needs certain vitamins and minerals to function correctly. That's where research comes into play. Ask some of your vegetarian friends what they do before they play sports so that their nutrition doesn't suffer. Look online for suggestions about what you can do to get the most nutrition from your vegetarian diet before playing sports. Read books and ask your doctor along the way if you are worried about nutrition as a vegetarian who participates heavily in sports. The old saying is that you can never have too much information, so seek out what is there for you and then take heed. It will all be worth it in the end. Chapter 5, Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone. Blank. Cooking vegetarian food is indeed one of the easiest things to learn. Even those who fear boiling water or cooking dishes will find vegetarian food very interesting and easy to prepare. Vegetarian cooking is for everyone. It not only has high nutritional value but also vegetarian cooking is easy for everyone. Deborah Madison, America's top chef, just recently came out with his bestseller book Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone. One must not think of it as just another vegetarian cooking book. It has some delicious 800 recipes and vital answers to questions about components and procedures of cooking. One can learn new way to cook some known dishes like guacamole from the book and even some lesser known ones like green lentils with roasted beets and preserved lemons, and cashew curry. The book is easily available at all places and at a very easy rate at Amazon.com, $26.40. The review in Amazon quotes that the 124-page chapter on vegetables, the heart of matter, can be taken as reference for any vegetarian culinary skills. One may have sought its help in buying vegetables or as a manual. Madison provides equally inspired recipes and guidance for everything from grains and soy to dairy foods and desserts. For all its readers, it has proved to be a great sourcebook and has ensured a great learning experience. In fact, one of the readers confessed that the author is writing recipes for everyday kitchen and this is what attracts readers from all age groups. It's not like those chef books which the reader or learner feels difficult to prepare. Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone is a book for everyone. An average cook can even cook or prepare good dishes reading from it. For a new learner or beginner, this is of great help who can feel his confidence being lifted up when he can prepare good vegetarian dishes that taste delicious. Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone has been adjudged as a comprehensive book that is of interest to all, even those who want to seek its help in everyday cooking as well. It has recipes for all starting from starters, sizzlers, snacks, breakfast, lunch and dinner. The ingredients are simple and can be easily found in one's fridge and pantry and cook something great out of it all, which is a huge satisfaction and a source of joy. Anybody can learn the mastering skills of vegetarian cooking from this book. So, go ahead and enjoy the book. Cooking Gourmet Vegetarian. For individuals who are vegan and are fond of cooking gourmand dishes, there are enormous opportunities to explore and find. There are a huge number of Epicurean vegan recipes that an individual can cook in varied places and situations. You just need to seek prospects to do so. Regrettably, space limitation prevents us from enumerating a complete cookbook in this small article. But there are a few recommendations to offer regarding to tasty vegetarian food preparation. Initially, we begin by defining an epicure meal. Now the question arises that is this feasible? In reality, a gourmand meal is special meal devoid of meat or spaghetti, and it includes converting interesting and rare elements into a masterpiece dishes that are not only delicious but also remarkable in appearance. Evidently, gourmet can be explained by many people in many various ways, but cooking a gourmet vegan food entails enough talent. It requires one to put a lot of flavor and ability to convert simple ingredients to artistic creations. So, what must an individual know in order to cook a gourmand vegetarian meal? If they have been a lacto-vegetarian for rather some time, they might want to refer to ideas about what one likes to consume and how one can induce innovativeness to make it unusual and delicious as well as mouth-watering. If people are novel to vegetarian style of cooking, the best process is to bear in mind the type of gourmet meals they have had before. It is very true that almost each and every one of us has had vegetarian meals. One must always look out for ways one can shun out the meat portion in the dish, while still maintaining intact the essence. With a little mind and resourcefulness, this can be made possible. We know almost all can. An individual can find enormous and diverse recipe books that are out and out devoted to gourmand vegetarian style of cooking in their local bookstore, on several websites, and online. Surf for cooking methods that contain constituents that fascinate all and then try the recipe. Many will not be able to cook a gourmet vegetarian feast if they start from anywhere. But by stringently following the instructions, you can avert a gastronomic failure. Cooking a gastronome meal can be a real adventurous and rejuvenating thing that a person ever does as a vegan chef. A lot of people believe the vegetarian way of life comprises of perplexity and inquisitiveness. When one can easily demonstrate that catering a vegetarian banquet that is Epicurean, striking, and yummy, they may just wave them toward their side of the boundary. But don't struggle very hard. Being a lacto-vegetarian isn't for one and all. The finest things people can do is to cook with their heart and stay proper to their dedication of living a vegetarian style of living, which signifies cooking foodie meals that savor like they have mutton when they actually do not have any meat content. Chapter 6, Low Carb Vegetarian. Blank. Human bodies need various nutrients to stay fit. Being vegetarian is good, but you need to balance the vitamins and nutrients skillfully. The only thing that should come in your mind is the balance of carbs. Carbs are a great source of energy, and that is the only reason to consume carbs in proper proportion. Excess of carbs in a vegetarian diet will trigger fat production in human body. Carbs alter sugar, which in turn changes into fat, and this creates problem if the quantity of conversion is in excess. Some foods are rich in carbohydrates like rice, potato and grains, so if you have plans to low down on carb intake, you should minimize the consumption of such foods. It is also not advisable to completely cut these foods in your diet, as these are good source of carbs. Efforts should be done to curtail the consumption of these food products. Carbs are also present in flour, which also includes the whole wheat flour. You should avoid or minimize eating bread if you are serious about the proper carbs intake. Make sure that the source of your carbs is appropriate to control the suitable consumption of carbs. Stay away from white bread and eat whole grain bread to compensate the carb requirement of body. Being vegetarian is good, but you have to give up lot of things during the process. The diet should include a lot of fresh and green vegetables. Selection of oils for preparing the food should also be taken into account. If you are using olive oil, you must use the proper quantity to reach the required level of carb. Also consider steaming and grilling of oil in order to ensure low carb intake. You have the natural vitamins in green and leafy vegetables. Don't consume carbohydrates that will make you gain weight. Different people have different reasons for changing their lifestyle to a vegetarian one. The most basic reason is losing extra weight. Some people also are really concerned about killing of various animals. A well-balanced diet is the most important criteria behind a vegetarian lifestyle. Excess amount of carbohydrates can change into sugar, which can gradually lead to gaining extra weight. Before you follow a vegetarian diet that is also low in carbohydrate content, you must be very careful in finding the exact amount of carbohydrate present in your diet. If the amount of carbs is very low, then it may affect your body and most importantly your health. The most important part of a healthy diet is nutrition. Low-calorie vegetarian recipes. Maybe an individual would have preferred a vegetarian standard of living for the reason that they wish to drop weight and require a low-calorie vegan approach to aid them in their weight loss objectives. The excellent news is that merely by changing over to meat-free eating, one would be ingesting low calories. The unrevealed aspect of preparing healthy vegan recipes is to remove the additional flab that makes meals filling. Initially, when a person is preparing low-fat vegan recipes, people will want to avoid the use of too much oil. An individual can yet use a superior quality additional virgin olive oil for tastings and salads. EVOO has less caloric value and gives some of the beneficial fats that our body need. Discourage fried foods while you are preparing vegetarian recipes which are less in caloric value. Even if one does use the added virgin olive oil for frying, in spite of this, fried foods characteristically have higher calories, so one should shun fried foods as much as feasible. Steam the vegetables as an alternative and refrain from boiling them. Boiling will deplete the significant nutrients. Grill vegetables for some change. You can also apply a no-calorie or light cooking spray to provide them some wetness or even scatter on a little watery lemon juice. If one's diet permits them to eat seafood, boil fish in spite of frying it. It is advisable to grill the fish since grilling is an immense mode to add taste and distinctiveness to their foods. Spices are main ingredients that can bring a vast change and provide a low-fat vegetarian recipe that is enjoyable and yummy. A lot of recipes of low-calorie vegetarian dishes can be found online. An individual can also purchase vegetarian cookery books with low-fat recipes in them. A more practical and an effortless method for making low-calorie vegetarian recipes is to just alter usual recipes by using healthy replacements like diet cheeses or replacing plain yogurt for vinegary cream. If an individual is creative, they will be amazed to discover that you can discover plenteous healthy vegetarian recipes and utilize these recipes into one's diet that will balance their weight loss targets. All a person requires is a little learning into where one can make replacements that will turn high-calorie foods into light foods with a small amount of variation and numerous thoughts. Embrace low-calorie vegan recipes into your daily diet plan and become conscious that you can consume tasty foods while sustaining your meatless standard of living. Chapter 7, Vegan Vegetarian. Blank. The difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian is widely understood as the eating habits are distinct and obvious. There is another branch of food eating group commonly known as vegan, and the difference between vegetarian and vegan is misunderstood. There is no striking difference between vegan and vegetarian eating habits, but still people get confused in categorizing these food eating groups. As a layman, you will not be able to understand the difference between vegan and vegetarian. People consider these as same food eating groups because the similarities are obvious and clear. People believe what they see, and you often spot a vegetarian eating green fresh salads and few broccolis for all 3 meals. The fact is, different vegans and vegetarians consume foods very differently and their ways are not always similar. Understanding the eating trends of this faction will make things clear. Below are few examples. People who consume dairy products, eggs, fruits and vegetables are categorized as lacto-ovo-vegetarian. It is one of the most recurrent and frequent type of lacto-vegetarian diet. There are cases where you find these groups eating fish and also consuming poultry products. Lacto-vegetarian, their diet includes vegetables, healthy nuts, fruits, grains and dairy products. The only difference is egg consumption, which this group avoids. Vegan, the difference between vegans and vegetarian can be understood by following their food habits. Vegans do not include dairy foodstuffs, eggs or any sort of animal products in their regular diet. Not only have these vegans refrained from sporting or wearing anything which is derived from animal products. Macrobiotic, there are many reasons to follow a diet group. Diet which is followed on grounds of philosophy and spirituality is known as macrobiotic diet. Health factors are also taken into account before selecting this diet. In this diet, food is categorized as negative and positive food. The positive group is yin and negative is yang. There are levels of progression in this type of diet. The elimination of animal products is encouraged at all levels. The highest level eliminates even fruits and vegetables and is confined to brown rice. A normal person will definitely get confused between the lacto-vegetarian and vegetarian diet. But for the vegans and vegetarian, it is absolutely easy to follow their lifestyle. It's only when you start to follow a diet regime you come to know the positives and negatives. You should support all diet groups in food eating habits as far as it's healthy and keeps you strong.